Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix content warning, adult content on X. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the X app, or it could be on your web browser. It doesn't matter. Okay. Just log into x.com. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead and go to the top left and tap on your profile. Tap on it. Now in this section, just gotta scroll all the way down and find settings and support. Tap on it and tap on settings and privacy. Okay. Now once you're in here, go ahead and find privacy and safety, which is right here. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and find content you see. Okay. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on sensitive media. Okay. Tap. Now make sure that everything right here is set to show all. All right. If yours is set to warn or never show this, well, you'll get that error. But just make sure that you set this one to show all. Go back, go to adult content, show all, go back, and others right here, show all, go back, and after that, you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.